What if I told you that beneath the waves, there might lie the remnants of an advanced civilization lost to time? Atlantis, a name that echoes both fantasy and science. But here's the kicker. New evidence suggests it's not just a myth. The legend of Atlantis has captivated imaginations for millennia. Described by Plato around 360 BC, Atlantis was reportedly a mighty empire that vanished beneath the sea overnight. But why does this story matter today? Because, in the age of advanced technology and exploration, the possibility of uncovering Atlantis fuels debates across the world. If real, it might rewrite human history, revealing secrets of civilizations past. But before you pack your scuba gear, let's explore the depths of what we know and what we don't. Plato's dialogues, Timaeus, and Critias are the primary sources of the story, painting Atlantis as a utopian haven that thrived 9,000 years before his time. But was Plato recounting history or weaving a cautionary tale of hubris and destruction? Many scholars dismiss the tale as pure allegory, while others believe Plato based his story on older traditions. The quest to find Atlantis has intrigued explorers like Ignatius Donnelly in the 19th century and underwater archaeologists today. But here's where it gets weird. Some believe Atlantis was a real place, destroyed by natural disasters. In 2013, researchers from the University of São Paulo suggested that a mass of granite rocks, terrain often formed on dry land, found deep beneath the Atlantic Ocean, could be remnants of Atlantis. Additionally, similar formations have been discovered near the Azores and Canary Islands. Could these be the peaks of a submerged continent? The tectonic activity in the region supports theories of a sunken landmass. But skeptics argue these are merely natural underwater formations. Still, these geological anomalies keep the flame of curiosity burning. In 2001, an underwater researcher claimed to have found evidence of man-made structures off the coast of Cuba. The discovery included vast symmetrical formations that suggested a large urban center. While initially attracting media attention, these claims have been met with skepticism, as further detailed exploration is still pending. If these structures are indeed human-made, they could suggest a civilization far advanced for its time. But without conclusive evidence, the mystery lingers, teasing historians and archaeologists alike. Across the world, stories of great floods and lost cities persist. From the biblical flood to Hindu tales of sunken lands, the theme is universal. Some theorists suggest these myths have common origins, possibly inspired by memories of real, ancient catastrophes. Could Atlantis be one of these? The worldwide nature of these stories adds a layer of credibility to the possibility of Atlantis being more than a myth. But here's another twist. Many of these stories emerged independently, without contact. Coincidence or a shared forgotten history? Scientific skepticism remains strong. Many researchers caution against the allure of confirmation bias. The lack of concrete evidence and reliance on Plato's narrative weakens Atlantis's case as a historical fact. While sonar technology and satellite imaging have made significant advancements, they have yet to reveal any conclusive evidence of a submerged city matching Plato's Atlantis. The scientific community urges a healthy skepticism. Atlantis remains an open question, still inviting exploration and imagination. But here's where the narrative shifts. Recent studies have focused on the geological upheavals of the Mediterranean, particularly the sudden collapse of the Minoan civilization on Crete, around 1600 BC. Some propose that Atlantis might not be a singular city, but a tapestry of prehistoric events, meshed into one powerful allegory. This perspective reshapes our understanding, suggesting Atlantis might be an amalgam of real catastrophes rather than a singular lost empire. Could this be the key to unraveling the mystery? From Antarctica to the Sahara, theories about Atlantis's location are as varied as the legends themselves. Some suggest it's buried under miles of ice, while others believe it's hiding in plain sight, misidentified among other ruins. Then there's the theory of Atlantis as a metaphor, a narrative device for Plato's philosophical teachings. With no definitive evidence, these theories compete and coexist, each adding layers to the enigma. Which one resonates with you? Or does the real Atlantis lie in an unexplored corner of our imagination? So, is Atlantis fact or fiction? The truth may lie in the stories, the science, or somewhere in between. As our technology advances, so does the potential to uncover ancient secrets. Until then, Atlantis remains a symbol, a warning, a dream, a story of human ambition and hubris. Perhaps it's not the destination that matters, but the journey into the past that teaches us about our present. What do you think? Could our future discoveries finally solve this ancient mystery? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more journeys into the unexplained.